Hey, it's Saturday. Got home from work about 1:30 in the afternoon. We had a really big driveway this morning. Knocked that out of the park and then picked up the house wash. We'll be back there on the 13th, I do believe, of October to go ahead and get his house cleaned up. But I got a wand. I think that putting all these homemade wands together days are going to be over for me. Wesley Ford sent me some information today about some high extension wands that you can operate with one hand. It's freaking incredible. I'll put a link down in today's video. Check it out, man. 32 feet wand, and you can it just comes right off the ground with one hand. It's unbelievable. Now, it's pricey, but the kind of work that I do on these buildings, it would be worth the money because the one job would pay for it, and I'd still make a sizable amount of money. So why wouldn't I want to do it to make my job a lot easier? You know what I mean? It's $1,200. They make them over in the UK. Fantastic looking thing. It's out of that carbon fiber stuff, light as a feather. You can pick it up one hand, 32 feet. It's very balanced. It's got an adjustable nozzle on it, so you don't have to be like this all the time. You can be straight up or whatever to accommodate what you're trying to clean. But last week, before I found out about this and I went through all the homemade wand thing, I found this. And it's up to 4,000 PSI. It's aluminum and it's very, very lightweight. You pop these open and it extends very easily. This item goes up to 20 feet, so I've been getting by with 16 feet, but man, the extra 4 feet, that would put me where I need to be. And 32 foot would even be, holy smokes, that would put me really, really where I need to be. But that's $1,200. I'm going to try this one on the next job, and we're going to order that other one. We're going to hold off for about 4 or 5 weeks from now, see what happens. Okay? All right, I'm Don. Enjoy the day. We had a giant driveway to do today, and we had a mobile home. So enjoy the footage, and we'll see you tomorrow. No rest for the wicked. We got 2 jobs on Sunday as well. Get after it! Hey, good morning. It's Saturday, and boy, what a gorgeous day we're going to have. Except for I got to work. I got a really big driveway to start the day out with today. Then I have a mobile home wash, which is in my own neighborhood here, so that'll be cool. I won't be too far from the barn. I'll be able to get home. And the weather is like in the 60s today. I'm sporting a hoodie this morning. It'll come right off, though, in a couple hours, in an hour or so. Anyway, here's the rig. Look at those hose reels, all nice. Reeled in nice. Keep it clean. Looks professional. Just look professional. Do a good job. Great recipe for lots and lots of work. I am almost completely full for October, and I have some bookings in November, so it is ramping up. There's more big commercial jobs coming my way. Also, I asked Wesley Ford out in California, and thank you so much for the information, Wesley, and congratulations on receiving your new rig. I'm looking forward to seeing some video of that, and some pictures of the Super Blast Get After It stickers and Don't Touch My Shit Stuff stickers on there as well. But anyway, you turned me on to those fiber poles, extension poles out in the UK. My goodness, man. That's going to take me to the next level. I'm going to head and order the 32-foot extension wand, and you can hold it with one hand and operate it with one hand. It's incredible. It's a little bit expensive, but you know what? On these commercial jobs, you can order that, go do the commercial job, still make a couple $1,000s and pay for the wand. And I have a lot of wasp nests that I got to deal with. If you've been watching my latest videos, I've been putting 2 8-foot wands together, zip tying another one in the middle to keep it from bending. This is going to be great. I can't wait to show you how it works. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Let's get after it. All right, good morning. Here we are. There's the driveway. It's a monster. Goes all the way over to there. See the mailbox? Check it out. Just treat it with some sticky icky. And the sidewalk, it goes all the way to the front door. Just have to push these boats back and forth. Probably clean that boat cover for the gentleman as well. Boy, that's really moldy, huh? Alright. All the way out to there. And this area here. And we will clean the boat cover as well. I'm sure he'll appreciate that, right? And we'll have to push this stuff out of the way. It's got trees growing on this. Somebody needs to get going out fishing or something. Or get rid of the boat, right? All right, I'm done. Let's get set up. All right, before I get started, you see that curb? It's a short section. Just hit it with the pump up sprayer real quick. And then it'll just melt right off of there. Then we can get started on the rest of it. All right, let's get the water hooked up and get after it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film this first part right here with the mini Mondu, and then we'll go ahead and do the satisfying rinse. Then we'll review the work to show you how nice it's gonna look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bang the rest of this out, and we'll be back for a final review. Fair enough? Fair enough. All right, let's get after it. And now for some of the exciting, satisfying rinse. Hey, here we are. We're done. Let's check it out. Look how nice it looks. Came out really good. This is a nice corner lot too, so it attracts a lot of attention.
Yeah.
There's the happy homeowner right there. Let's check this out. Looks good. All right. Another job well done. Get after it. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. I got a regular customer here, Lee. What do you think about Super Blast pressure washing?
Super Blast does a fantastic job. He's got the equipment that nobody has, and I wouldn't use anybody else.
There you have it, folks. Proof's always in the pudding. Another happy customer. Get after it. Okay, here we are. Job number 2. It's a mobile. Hasn't been done in a while. Pretty nice place though. We got a lot of bees nests. See these wasps? That kind of stuff going on. We got a few of these going on. Got one there. Just really dingy. So this place is going to brighten up really nice. The ceiling's dingy. And this job's going to go fairly quick. We're going to start in the back. Man, there's a lot of wasp nests. one there. There's one there. These awnings are all dirty. This needs a really good bath. It's all moldy right here. Check that out. Let's see what we got underneath here. Don't want any surprises. There's mold there. Mold up underneath here. See it? Make sure you get it all. Yeah, this needs a good wash. My hoses come all the way around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this side over here all the way to there. There to there. Then we're gonna rinse it off. Then we'll do the other side in the front. Clean the driveway off somewhat as best we can. It's a painted driveway, so we don't want to take the surface cleaner to it. All right, let's get started and get after it. All right, let's have a look. You can see it's all brightened back up. Looking nice and spiffy. Needs a little paint. Nothing a little paint won't handle, you know. You can see here where the paint's off. It's down to the aluminum, but it's nice and clean. Okay, now we have this around the air conditioner. I'm gonna come back with straight chlorine at the end of the job, and that'll clean all the way up. Okay, awning's nice and clean. Everything's nice and clean down to this point. And we have the roof is all nice and clean in there. All right, now we're gonna get around the other side, do the front, down that side, do the driveway, and call it a day. Except for treating these little spots like that. And then make the homeowner very happy to see his house sparkling clean. All right, let's get after it. All right, so like I said, we're gonna come down this side, get rid of this mold, come around this porch, rinse the whole front off, rinse it all back, gonna chlorinate this driveway, rinse it all off, and then it's gonna be the end of the job. All right, let's get after it. Jerry, hope you're doing okay, buddy. Let's have a look at your house. Look at that, nice and shiny. We're gonna go ahead and do this driveway next. Got rid of all the bees' nests. That ceiling's nice and white, everything's nice and clean. Got this part of it clean, the mat's clean. This is like the regular Taj Mahal, man. Come on down here, we had these awnings were very dirty. Nice and clean, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, see those stepping stones right there? Like I said, we're gonna put a little bit of straight chlorine on the air conditioning pad and get rid of that mold for you. All right, Jerry? All right, man. Thank you so much for the work, sir. And I hope you're doing well. And have a happy, happy holiday. Get after it. And now for the satisfying rinse. Hey, here we are, final look, Jerry. Got the driveway all done for you. Looks good. The house looks really good. Everything came out great. Nice and squeaky clean. You can even see in these windows again, huh? All right. Well, thank you so much for the work, sir, and have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas. Get after it. All right, that was a good day of pressure washing, and it's early in the day yet, I do believe. What time is it? It is 1:56, and it's Saturday. And my wife and I were going to go out and eat some dinner tonight. We'll get me some crab legs and eat outside on the water. It's going to be a nice night. Looking forward to that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. If you got a minute. Only takes a second. And hit that bell so you get notified of all the crazy pressure washing madness at Super Blast Pressure Washing. All right, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you tomorrow. Got to work Sunday as well. Got a couple jobs to do, then we'll be all caught up on the schedule and back to normal. Extremely busy, and looking forward to a really fast, busy uphill climb till Christmas gets here, and then we'll slow down a little bit, and then we'll be busy the rest of the year, like always. All right, I'm Don. Get after it.